Yes, children, we are going to start today next exercise, exercise 3B, in which we will learn how to find the square root of the number by long division method. In the first exercise, I told you that we can find the square root of the number by prime factorization method. Now, here we are applying division method, or it can be long division method. Fine. Here I have written one number 20164 and we have to find the square root of this given number. So the square root can be find out like this. We will make pair from the right side, from the end of the number. Fine. We will make pair. 64 is forming a pair, 01 is forming the another pair, and this 2 is all alone. So this 2 is single. So do remember the first step, that we have to make the pair from the right side. Alright. Now we have to think of a number when it is multiplied by itself, the product is either equal to 2 or less than it. Fine. Like if I suppose 1, then 1 multiplied by itself is 1. So the product is 1, which is less than 2. If I think of 2 and 2 multiplied by 2, then it gives 4, which is greater than, the product 4 is greater than 2. So we cannot take 2. So which number we have to take? We have to take 1. So I write 1 here and I keep the 1 here. So 1 into 1 is 1. I keep the product here below 2. And then we have to subtract the two numbers. On subtracting we get 1. Then we copy the another pair. The another pair is 01. We copy that. So the number becomes 101. Now what we have to write here at this place is the double of this number. Double of 1 is 2. Always take the double of this number here. Now after 2 we have to consider another number in such a way that when we multiply this number with that number, we get the product either equal to 101 or less than it. It means if this we do in rough. Okay, so I am taking, suppose I am taking 3. 2 is already here. I am keeping 3. So I will multiply this number by 3 because I am keeping 3. So I will multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 69. So the product is 69, which is lesser than 101. Now I am taking 4. I can take 4 also. I multiply this by 4 only because I am keeping 4 after 2. Though I will multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 196. Obviously, if I take 5 and multiply the number by 5, then 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 125, which is greater than 101. So I cannot take 5. So what should I take? I will take 4. So I keep the 4 here, I keep the 4 here, and we will take this 96 product, I will keep below 101. Then I will subtract. 11 minus 6 is 5, and we will copy the next pair, that is 64. Again we will take the double of this 14. The double of the 14 will be 28. Now again we have to keep another digit after 28, that we will do in rough. We will try any number in rough. So suppose I take 2. If I am keeping 2, then I will multiply it by 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1 5 564. Now this product is matching with this 564 now. So we will keep the 2 here, we will keep the 2 here, and 564 below this. Subtract, you get 0, and that is the final answer. So what is the square root of the given number? The square root is 142. So 142 is the last final result. I hope it is clear. So only thing you have to remember is that you have to form the pair initially in the very first step, and starting from the end, starting from the right side. Similarly, I have written another question. Again, we have to find the square root of this given number by applying the long division method. So it is I'm copying it. I'm drawing the long division method like this, and I'm making the pair from the end, from the right side. This time the first pair is 43. So we have to think of a number whose product with itself is equal to 43 or it is less than it. So if I take, which number I take 6. 6 6 are 36. If I take 7 7s are 49, whose product is greater than 43. So I will cancel 7, I will take 6. So I keep the 6 here, 6 here, 6 6 are 36. Then I subtract. Subtracting both, what we get? 7. We copy the another pair, 29. Alright, what I will keep here? The double of 6. Double of 6 is 6 2s are 12. Now what number I keep after 12? This I have to try in rough. So I can try, it is 1 2. If I suppose take 7, then I have to multiply it by 7 only. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, plus 4 is 18, 7 1s are 7, 8. 889 is greater than 729, so we cannot take 7. So obviously it will be 6. We keep it, we multiply it by 6 only. 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 6 1s are 6, 756. That is also greater than 729. So again we cannot take 6. Now what we will take? We will try with 5. Multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11 12. 5 1s are 5, 6 25. So I keep the 5 here, 5 here, and 625 below 729. Then I subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1. I copy the another pair, that is 64. What I have to write here? The double of 65. 65 is here now, so we have to make the twice of this. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 130. So 130. So what number, what digit I have to write after 130? That I will again try in rough. So suppose I write, I try 9 or 8. I think 8 is more appropriate. 8 8s are 64. 8 zeros are 0, 6. 8 3s are 24. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. 10464. It is exactly matching with 10464. So 8 is the correct number. We will keep the 8 here, here, and here we will write 10464. Again we will subtract and it will be 0. So what will be the square root? It is 658. The square root is 658. The final answer. Okay. I think the method is clear to you. After this, move on to next question. What should be added to 14841? The number is given. We have to find what should be added to the given number to make the sum a perfect square. So in these type of questions, we have to find the square root. By long division method, we will make the pair of the numbers from the right side. We get 1, the first pair. So 1 1s are 1. Subtract 1 minus 1 is 0. We will copy the first pair, that is 48. Double of 1 is 2. Which digit should be written here? We will try it in rough. Suppose it is, I will try with 2. I keep the 2, I multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So it is 2 here, 2 here, and 44 here. Then again subtract 4, copy the another pair, that is 41. Double of 12 is 24. Again which digit we will put here? I think 24 we will try with, if I try 2, then I have to multiply it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 484 is greater than 441, so we cannot keep the 2. We will take 1. If we keep 1, so it will be 241. Subtract 0. 4 minus 4 is 0, and it is 200. Correct? Now here the square root ended. Fine. So the question says that what should be added. So if we have to find the number which should be added, we have to apply the method that it is 121 here now, so the next number of it will be 122. After 121 comes 122, so we will take 122 square minus the number given in the question. The number given in the question is 14841. Fine. Now multiply 122 with 122. What we will get? This we will do in rough. It is 122 multiply by 122. That will be 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again it will be 4 4 2, and it will be 2 2 1. 4 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is again 8, and 4 14884. So we get 14884 minus 14841. Subtract 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. That's it. So what should be added? 43 should be added. Fine. So do remember that whenever the question is what number should be added to the given number can be any, to make it a perfect square, then you have to find the square root by long division method, and the quotient you get, the next number of it, you have to square that number, subtract the given number, and you get the answer. Okay. Alright. One more question I have written here. This is a question from the exercise in your book. A gardener arranges his plants in rows to form a perfect square. He finds that in doing so, 25 plants are left out. If the total number of plants be 2234, find the number of plants in each row. We have to find the number of plants in each row. Fine. The total number of plants are how many? 2 2 3 4. If we arrange them in such a way that they form a perfect square, 25 plants are left out. Okay, so 25 plants left out means these are the total number of plants and 25 are left. So we will subtract the 2 and we get the perfect square number, because it is written here in the first line, a gardener arranges his plants in rows to form a perfect square. So subtract the 25 plants from the given number of plants. That is 14 minus 5 is 9, and it is 2 minus 2 is 0. 2209. These are the number of plants. If suppose let there are x plants in each row, fine, then it means x square is equal to 2209 according to question, and x is equal to square root of 2209. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x, and x is equal to square root of 2209. Now what we have to do? We have to find the square root of 2209. Making a pair from the right side. Now 22 is here. We will take 4 4s are 16. Subtract 12 minus 6 is 6. We will copy 09. Double of 4 is 8. Which number we will put? 8. 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. This is very small, smaller than 609. So we will try. We will take 7. Let's try by 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 4 is 609, which is exactly matching with this 609. So we will take 7. We will put 7 here, 7 here, and 609 here, and subtract. We get 0. So what is the answer? 47. So 47 plants. There are 47 plants in each row. In each row. That is the final answer. Okay. So you can try the other question of the exercise. We will discuss the problem. Okay. Thank you.